do today is paint it. See all that stuff on there? So what I'm painting it with is this duplicolor truck bed coating. I guess it's kind of like bed liner. I'm not a painter, I'm not a bed liner person, I don't know anything about it. But directions say, you know, doesn't say anything about a primer. Okay, good. Well ventilated area, blah 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 blah. Cleaner stuff, whatever. Sand all areas to be painted with coarse sandpaper, 80 to 180 grit. Okay. I'm not gonna bore everyone with sanding, but all right. So I scuffed it up by hand, and I'm about to clean it again. I'm not a painter by any means, but I think it came out pretty good. I like it. I'm happy with it. Now it's time to go cut that bumper off and replace it with this winch plate. I actually never thought I'd be doing this. I really like this bumper. Okay, you start with hanging it with these U-bolts, then you put the spacers in between the mounting bracket and the frame, and the elongated hole that's vertical goes on top. And then you put the spacers that go inside the frame and then put the bolts through it. This is where I ran into my second problem. I couldn't get all the bolt holes in because the bracket that mounts the steering stabilizer that's welded onto the front round bar, whatever, it sticks out too far and it needed to be ground off a little bit. And I also grind off some of the splatter that was kind of getting in the way of the spacers. Okay, so this was actually my second problem. Whenever I put everything together, after I got the bolts in, then the little spacer that goes in between the mounting plate and the frame won't fit, and I'm not really sure why. I think the front of my frame rails might be bent a little bit, and I'm just gonna either have to grind this spacer shown in the end down, or maybe just put some washers in there or something. But I gotta stop for now. To be continued or whatever.